Okay, now let us continue with the exercises from the proportion exercises we will be doing from the textbook. Let us go to your textbook. You can see in your textbook exercise 7b. It is in page number 94. We will solve one or two questions, and based on that you have to do it at home. Look at question number 1. It is there in the textbook. Number 2, find the fourth proportional to 3a, 6a square and 2ab square. Okay, so here only 3 terms are given to you. You have to find the fourth proportion or fourth term. Fourth term is also known as fourth proportion. So they are in proportion. So therefore we start like this. 3a is to 6a square equals to. So these first 2 terms, the ratio will be equal, and the third term ratio. Now we do not know the fourth term, so we can take the fourth term as any quantity x. So we will assume that x is a fourth term. Now using the properties or the formula of the proportion, we have just learned that the product of the extremes, if you see that these two are the extremes, so we can get like this: the product of the extremes equals to the product of the means. Now these two are the means, so you have to multiply these two like this. Now this is your fourth term or the fourth proportion, and it is multiplying with 3a. You have to find this x, so we will do cross multiply or cross product, and therefore we come to the answer like this: 6a square 2ab square divided by, bring down this 3a here. So now what do we observe here is the fourth proportion is separate. This 3a went down by the principle of cross multiplication. Now it is very easy. This a and a will cancel. This 3 and 6 will also be cancelled. So we have 2 into 2, 4, a square b square is left. So we got the answer. The fourth proportion is 4a square b square. In the similar way you have to do the rest of the questions. Now I will solve one more question, which is an ICSE question. So let us do that. It is in a textbook only. Now this is kind of a word problem. It is given there. It had come in ICSE 2013. And in a textbook it is question number 6. Okay. Now what does the question say? You can read. I have a question here. What least number must be added to each of the numbers? See, the numbers are given to you: 6, 15, 20 and 43. Now to this 4 numbers, what least means the smallest number must be added, so that all these 4 numbers, they become in proportion. So what is the least number to be added? Let us take like this. Let the least number be x. Least number added be x. Alright. So now we add 6 plus x. So this becomes your first term. We put it in a bracket. Now you cannot add 6 plus x because they are unlike terms. Is to, what is the second term? 15 plus x, we also add it. Now these two it became a ratio, will be equal to 20 plus x is to 43 plus x. So this is in proportion now. Okay, now it is a simple simplification. It is like a linear equation in one variable. Here we can see variable is x, so you can apply again the formula: the product of extremes equals to the product of means. So we can also write like this: product of extremes equals to product of means. So what is the extremes here? 6 plus x, 43 plus x equals to, what are the means here? 15 plus x, 20 plus x. Now you just have to multiply them, and you have to open by using distributive property, or directly you can do 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 258 plus 6 into x, 6x. Then 43 into x, you have to multiply each term, plus x into x becomes x square. Likewise, this two bracket should be also opened, multiplying first term like this, 15 into 2, 20 is 300, alright, plus 15x plus 20x plus x square. Now we can see on the two sides, the left hand side and the right hand side, this x square and x square will be cancelled. Now, which are the like terms? You add them and you have to transpose. This is 49x. You can add them. It will be how much? 35x. Okay. So now you keep the like terms together, and for that there is a simple process called transpose, bringing one term from one side to another. So let us take this 49x come here, so we can come to this side also. 49x minus 35x equals to 300 minus 258. You subtract this 14x, alright, so you got what? 14x here. Then you subtract this 242, only 42 you will get. Then x will be 14, how many times is 42? You have to cancel. 7 2s are 14, 7 6 are 3. So it is basically 3. Okay, so the least term number must be added will be 3. Thank you.